Well, it's got a little switching power supply here that was on our internet cable box, and it failed. So I figured tonight, let's have a wee peek at the inside of this and see what happened to it. It's input 100 to 240 volt, AC, output 12 volt at 2 amp. Double pole, neutral fusing for ITE power supply. Yeah. Anyway, so it had the regular barrel connector for powering units, pretty normal. And the AC cord is just the plug-in one. That style. So let's pop her off. I already took the hammer to it to loosen off the cover here. Oh, got her upside down apparently. So there's the switching power supply. Let's take it out of the case here altogether. No, it's got a little project box. So this is the unit. Switching power supply. It has failed. I get a new one, but I figured I'd keep this one just to have a little look-see at it and see what actually failed on it. Capacitor looks okay, these two anyways. They're not bulged or anything. I'm assuming there's a fuse over here. Assuming that part there is a fuse. AC input. And
I put 3 water in the freezer.
oh well. Looky here. We have a big black burn mark. Something disintegrated right there and burned a hole right in the board. Nice. So dead center of the board will be whatever's underneath this here capacitor. Let's see if we can't move him. Maybe. See if we can't get him to stand up. Line directly under it, so whatever burned up is right there, or what it was. Looks like a diode maybe. She erupted. And it left a little mark. She actually melted. She left a mark right there. Wow. Well, if that part there is a fuse, right here, Let's have a closer look and see if it is. Well, it probably is. Let's just see if it actually blew or not. I'm gonna get my multimeter here and have a little peek. Okay, so I've got my voltmeter here, digital multimeter. And now we're going to check the fuse this here that should have blown. You would think it would blow. The fuse did not blow. That's not a good sign. That's not good. Well, it's a good fuse, but so considering the fuse didn't blow, this thing could have continued to have a meltdown if the part didn't open up or the trace didn't get burned away. Well, that's not good. Looks like the transformer down here is kind of black looking. Or is that normal? Hard to say. It might be normal. But, something definitely went kaput. Anyways, folks, watch your switching power supplies. They do burn up without a fuse to blow. Very strange the fuse didn't blow. You think that would have popped. There's a very good possibility this thing could have actually caught on fire. Well, obviously it almost did. But is that part of any of this could have shorted out even further? Could have had a fire because of that. Well, not good.